time to get down from here, bro. Freaking love Siquijor, bro. We're gonna miss the boat. So we were supposed to pass by Salagdoong Beach Resort. That's the one with the cliff jump. Nakaabot naman kami pero hindi bawal daw kasi there was an OFW who's quarantining there. And sayang we couldn't come here pero next time na lang magbalik tayo. There's a man-made forest dito by the government. Oh really? Yung mga trees dito daw is almost 45 to 46 years old. This place is on the way to Salagdoong, but since Salagdoong is closed and we'll just come back next time. So this is the man-made forest, the Malave trees. It's so beautiful, guys. It's gorgeous. If anything, don't be like me, don't try this at home, but look at this, check this out. Woo, baby! Imagine like if a branch like slaps my face right now. What are we doing next?
We're going free diving.
Yeah! Let's go. That's me and my cousin's favorite activity now, from now on, the free diving. And you know the thing is, we basically like went around the Siquijor Island. Kuya said that you can go around the Siquijor Island in like 75 kilometers, less than 2 hours. This island is kind of small, but I mean, you can do so much here. Check this out right now. It's time to get down from here, bro. All right, Marine Sanctuary, here we go. Yung dito na area.
Tulapos Marine Sanctuary.
Anong pwede gawin dito, kuya?
Mag-snorkeling lang.
Snorkeling, free dive.
Free dive. Makikita mo yung mga iba't ibang klaseng nasa dagat.
Okay.
Like rakuda, giant clam, turtle, marami po.
Dami talaga. Sige. Slow tide right now. Yes, sir. This is our new favorite activity, I swear. Diba, bro?
Sunny.
Uy, look at that. So here, the entrance fee was like 100 per person, and then the guide cost 250 total. So we spent a total of 450 pesos here. But of course, you got a tip too. So help the tourism here in Siquijor, you know. You excited, bro?
I am.
Musta, kuya? Kayo yung guide. Kayo yung guide. The grass of the ocean. There's like fish here too. Oh, flying fish. Oh, what the? Dami. There's so much starfish. Look at that. Starfish. Layo na tayo talaga, bro. Look at that, it's all the way over there. That's the rock area. And apparently it's pretty deep over there now, so. Oh, the corals. May mga sharks, kuya. Pero okay lang.
Yeah, they won't touch you naman daw.
Okay, sige.
Only the tourists.
Only yung... Ready, kuya? Ready, kuya? Sige.
Yeah.
Let's check out the underwater.
Oh, super parang, bro.
It's so clear, man.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words.
Starfish. Another one. The biggest clams ever, bro. Put your like body next to it, like just to see how big. Oh my gosh, bro. So big. Clams to?
Giant clam.
Pwede kainin? Damn, you see that massive clams? Grabe, sobrang kalaki. Ang laki nila. Ano niya?
Maipit kamot ba? Mangahon sila.
Grabe, ang laki nila.
There was a Chinese guy
who
stepped into one of these. And they had to rush him in the hospital. Got stitches.
Parang kutsilyo yan. Oh, parang kutsilyo to?
Yeah, stitches.
This one. Pero grabe, bro. Dagat was so parat. There's a snake, bro. Hadlok sa Snake. I think we have another destination too though. And the sun's about to set. I think it's around like 5 o'clock now. Get there, let's go back to the shore. On the way to the Siquijor landmark. Me and my cousin, we're just enjoying the time left here, bro. Seeing some Aerosmith. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep as I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Where are we?
This place is called Siquijor, which is the capital of the Siquijor Island. It's kind of confusing, but yeah, it's Siquijor. So it's near the port that we'll be going tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, sadly we'll have to leave tomorrow, guys.
No! Kuya, no! Kuya! No! Why do you have to leave Siquijor? I don't want to leave, bro.
Me also, bro.
Damn, it's okay, bro.
But the swab shit.
Yeah, the freaking swab though. Dumaguete requires an actual RT-PCR and they don't offer that. Well, they offer that in Siquijor, but the thing is, I'm gonna miss my flights to Davao and all that stuff, which is not good. So another reason why we gotta come back. Nindot kuya. Dang.
Oh, my throat hurts, bro, from
Yeah. It's quite like smoky in this area for some reason, but there's an explanation for that. Bro, what's the explanation?
I'm not really sure about this, but it's kind of a Filipino thing that people like put out fire for the smoke and smoke the trees. Kind of help Dao. It helps the trees grow. I don't know. That's what I heard. So don't put this on if I'm wrong.
Now I'm gonna put either way. Yeah, this is the St. Francis of Assisi church over there. From what I read, that church was basically almost fell. I mean, the church was made to kind of look when like there are pirates, calamities or something like storm or something coming up. Yeah, man. Bro, we basically like circled around the whole Siquijor.
The whole island.
In one day. Grabe.
So you can do it on one day.
So you can do it in one day, but it's like super jam-packed. We probably would have split it up if we weren't just staying for one day.
Man, it's so dark. Put on a before and after photo of us.
But man, freaking love Siquijor, bro. Don't worry, there are no witches or mythical creatures or bad things over here. I mean, it depends on your beliefs, but from what we've experienced, it's pretty ayos. Because Kuya just checked right there if we can catch our barge tomorrow. So we have a predicament, guys. The thing is, I mean, we have to enter Dumaguete tomorrow before 10 a.m. because our swab expires with that 72 hours. But the thing is, the barge going back to Dumaguete from Siquijor is at 7:30 p.m.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
So how does that work? I thought it was gonna be earlier than 10. Like, why is there only one barge? I don't know how we're gonna fix this, to be honest. Because if we stay, problem is the RT-PCR test that we would have to take again to get to Dumaguete. I don't know, man. It's almost sunset and we have this problem. Way to finish off the day, right, guys? I'll keep you updated. It's another challenge, but we gotta figure it out.
Bro.
Okay, what's the plan?
So here's the plan. Okay, so we're still going to try tomorrow. Let's just try to like get inside with the current swab test results we have.
Okay.
And then if they don't, you have to take the test.
We have to take the test again.
You have to
Pag
take the test.
nakapasok ka na sa port, pinakita mo yung swab, tapos sabihin mo lang na mag-antay ka ng barko. Hindi na kami lalabas, dito lang kami. So, kailangan pa ba? Pag sinabing hindi na. Pero kailangan magdala ka ng pagkain kasi 7 p.m. ba yung ano eh.
Is there like a coast guard that we can talk to?
Yeah, may coast guard ba, kuya? Dito?
Tingnan natin dito
Sige,
sa...
sige. We have to wait 3 to 5 days if we're gonna get an RT-PCR test here. Hopefully we can find a coast guard and tell them the situation, and I don't know, we'll see. This is the problem with the pandemic. I mean, the good thing is there's not a lot of people so you can enjoy the place, but the bad thing is that all these requirements, you know? So we just realized that we're gonna miss the boat, the barge, because our RT-PCR test expires at 10 a.m. tomorrow, Sunday. The next barge is gonna be at 7:30 p.m. And the thing is, that's the barge going to Dumaguete, which you need an RT-PCR test for. That's crossed out the window, but then there's another boat going from Siquijor directly to Cebu province, but that is at 2 p.m. on a Tuesday. The thing is, I have an RT-PCR saliva test scheduled at 9 a.m. on Tuesday in Cebu City because I have my flight on Wednesday at 3 p.m. Okay, so that's what the Coast Guard said. Those are our only options. Or we can take an RT-PCR here in Siquijor, but then that takes around 5 to 10 days because, I mean, it's the province, Tito. Let's see what happens, man. I guess this vlog is gonna continue on. To be continued, man.